Hey, this is Doug Peterson with Carolina Rural Homes. Today what I want to do is show you how to use Google Maps to figure out the area of your property. I'm going to use an example in Pine Tops, North Carolina, but it could be anywhere. We specialize in North Carolina properties, and this particular property is developed. It has a house on it, but it could be just a lot. So you're going to want to put the pin on your location, whatever your APN is or your address, legal description for your property. Then you're going to right click and it'll pull up a measure distance tool down here. So you click that and then you start on the corners of your property and you move the measure distance tool to the border of the property, and even this odd shaped lot can get a idea of where it is. Let's see here. So now we're going to click here, there, and there. So once you finish plotting along the plat map of the property, it'll give you an area. Let's move this down. It'll give you an area map of 14,957 square feet. Then you can take this area and convert it into acres, copy that, and move over to here. This is a tool that converts square feet to acres. So then you paste in your square foot amount and then enter, and now you know your piece of land is about 1/3 of an acre. So you go back here and we know that this total area of 14,957 square feet is about 1/3 of an acre. So hopefully you found that helpful. This is Doug Peterson with Carolina Rural Homes.